Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at the Advait project, which is located in Guntur, Bangalore, a project developed by Sanjeevani Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, and this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the details and project details of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of the beautiful miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 8.3 acres of land parcel with 5 towers and all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors and 21 floor including helipad on the rooftop. This project offers you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located in Guntur, Bangalore, and let me show you the location and connectivity. So this road on my back hand side will connect you towards Vartur Sarjapur road, and over this side on the opposite side will connect you towards Panatur main road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Bellandur metro station in 2.5 kilometers, TCIS is just 2.8 kilometers away, Prestige Tech Park is 4.1 kilometers, Nexus Whitefield is 7.8 kilometers from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities and let me show you. So this project has a grand clubhouse of 6 floors, including 2 pools, 2 theatres, 2 banquet halls, including guest houses. The forest will be constructed with 15,000 trees, including pet park, multi-purpose court, football ground, and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area, and this project provides you 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starting from 1550 square feet to 1930 square feet, and 4 BHK here is 2555 square feet super built-up area. Now come, let's discuss about the booking process, and project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the Advait, which is located in Guntur, Bangalore, a project developed by Sanjeevani Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.